Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a YouTube channel. So first thing you need is to create a Gmail account. You need a Gmail account for you to be able to create a channel. So if you don't know how to create a Gmail account, I already uploaded a video on how to create a Gmail account. So please do well to watch this video so that you'll be able to create a Gmail account. So when you are done with creating a Gmail account, then you go to your home page and you come to this place. Okay, this is the name of the Gmail account that I opened. So let's say I want to create a gaming channel. Yes, I want to create a gaming channel. I can also use this name, but if you don't want to use the same name as your Gmail account, you can as well change it to the name you want to use to create your channel. So I don't mind. I can also use this name to create a gaming channel, Jenny Blaze. I can just add something to it to make it look unique and and straightforward. So I can write Jenny Blaze gaming house. I can say Jenny Blaze gaming house or gaming hub. Sorry, Jenny Blaze gaming or Jenny Blaze gaming. Yes, I can use that. Okay, see. So now you can see that my handle has changed to Jenny Blaze gaming. So you can select a picture from your computer and then upload. But for this video, I'm not going to upload any picture yet, just yet. I'm going to set up this channel. In my next video, I'll be doing a video on how to set up your YouTube channel. So during the course of that video, I'm going to upload a profile picture that we can use. I want to create a picture using this Jenny Blaze. I want to create a logo using this Jenny Blaze gaming. So then you click on create channel. So you see now our channel has been successfully created. So this is our channel. So you can see YouTube has already given us our channel details when we joined and all of that. So this is just how to create a YouTube channel in a very, very simple, you see. So now YouTube is going to tell you to create a post. So that you record or you upload a video, you create a post. So this is how to create a YouTube channel. So please watch my next video on how to set up your YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share to anyone who you know may be in need of this tutorial. See you in my next video.